going on, Farm Dogs? Back with another YouTube video, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we're building for Blizzard Bash in the street stock weld class. So big deal for us. I got lucky enough to get invited to go do this event here in November, and we've done Capital and stuff like that. We've ran that for 3 years, but we've never actually went and ran Blizzard Bash because it's in the time of harvest and all that. We can't really make it work, but we're gonna make it work now because we got invited and we're gonna be on a team. So that's what this video is gonna be about. We're gonna go back. Dad's hooking up the car right now, so he's gonna bring it up. We'll kind of show you the car right here off the bat and get it up to the shop. So let's wait for him to come on by. So there we go. Here comes Dad with the car we're running. So Olds 98. We're gonna get it up in the shop and start working on it. So there you go. Here's the first look. What we're gonna be running is a 1976 Oldsmobile. Dad got this about 2 years ago, and as you can see, it's pretty clean on the inside. I mean, some rust, some wear, and of course some rusty there, but other than that, it's a pretty clean car. So we'll get it into the shop here and kind of strip it out the rest of the way, take the windows out, and we'll get it in, get the body off, and get to looking at the frame. So there we go. We got it up in the air now, and all we're going to do is we're just going to kind of go around, make sure the frame's all good, that it isn't rusted out anywhere. And it's just kind of good to see where your car's sitting underneath, you know, like that. Your frame is your most important thing. See how everything looks underneath. So we're just going to kind of look at the small things here, and we'll set it back down. Alrighty guys, as you've seen there, Dad got the body off of it. So now we spent some time and took all the steering off and whatnot, and did all our welding and stuff like that. In this class, in the street stock weld class, you're allowed a hump plate, so we welded the hump plate on. So we just kind of went through the frame and did all the welding, got that all figured out. But we got Luke and Dad here getting some tires. We're gonna put in the rear end. Right now, we ain't got the tires that we want to, but we're just gonna throw some on so it's easier to handle. So we'll get that underneath the car and we'll get it all good to go. Just put the trailing arms and the spring in there and call it good, because we just want to get it where we can roll it around on the frame or on the ground and just have the frame there. So let's get tires on this rear end and get it underneath the car.
Where to put that other little one right there? Gold.
Right by your hand.
Ouch! That freaking vine that's in that frame has thorns on it. Push, push, push! Oh.
That wasn't very funny. Needs to go, yeah. Whoa!
That there?
Yeah.
Well, your front end is on the floor too. I make it forward there. Have to put the hammer here again.
Alrighty guys, we got the rear end in there. That went pretty easy, didn't it?
Yep.
That was pretty simple. We kind of messed with it there a little bit, but heck, I think this is how we're going to run. Dad was saying, heck, let's go run 42 inches with this like this. So looks pretty good, but we got the rear end in and we'll tighten everything up there. Alrighty, so now we're going to work on the front end, get all the front suspension back on. As you can see, the bottom A-arms are sitting right there. We'll get them shoved on, then we'll put the top A-arms, and then we'll get our springs and our spindles on, and we should just be able to rock right through this.
Oh, we got every goddamn tool out. What the hell? What? That was too easy. Yeah. Nuts are over there in the back.
Alrighty guys, you seen there, we got it done. All we got to do is tighten everything up, but there's the driver's side done. Let's get over to the passenger side and get it done.
Pretty little WD on that other side. Still not enough, huh? Get up and just jump on that box right there, because you pushed on it and it moved that thing down just a little bit. If not, we'll have to get a target strap. Yeah. Bouncing back, and I'm afraid.
Probably look on the outside, whichever way on the outside. Alrighty guys, so there you've seen us. We got the front suspension done. We'll go through that and tighten all them bolts, make sure everything's tight. Didn't want to forget something there. But there, what you guys just seen there is what we call a full roller, where you got the front suspension with front tires on it, and then you got your rear end in with the back tires on it, and same thing with the rear end. We'll go in and tighten all them bolts later. We just wanted to get it as a roller is what we call it. But that was fun, wasn't it?
Sure. You gotta tighten the freaking bolts or you're gonna have a wobble ass in.
You gotta tighten the bolts. But nope, guys, I think we're gonna end the video there. Kind of got the start there, and as you've seen from the title of this YouTube video, this is the Blizzard Bash Street Stock build for 2024. We're running out there, so stay tuned for all the other parts. This is just part one of this build, and we're excited to do it. So stay tuned for that, and I think we'll end it there, guys. So keep liking, keep subscribing to the YouTube channel, keep commenting. We love to hear from you guys, and keep on keeping on like the Farm Dogs always do. See you guys.